Welcome to Curiosity Corner, the place where wonder meets knowledge. Have you ever asked how we got to this point where machines are so advanced and integrated into our lives? From the days of the first mechanical minds which were dreamed up in 1905 to the great AI revolutions of 2025, we will travel today through 120 years of ambition, discovery, failure, and triumph. Stay by our side to the end. We tell more than of machines in the AI story. It is about our present and the future we are creating together. This is Curiosity Corner. We are going to explore the world of AI like no other. Introduction. In a world which has seen machines think, learn, and even create like humans, we live today. But what you don't know is that the AI's journey began way before the smartphone or the internet over a century ago. In this video, we travel through time, from the very first concepts of machine reason in 1905 through its ups and downs, its winters and springs, its victories and revolutions, to the AI-powered world of 2025. Stay tuned till the end because the future of AI may just blow your mind. 1905 to 1950. The birth of an idea. It out of human want to automate our thought processes really that which did play out. In 1905, the first seeds of machine reasoning were put in place by what we today look at as very forward-thinking mathematicians that were looking into symbolic logic. By 1936 into the picture steps the British genius Alan Turing, who put forth the idea of a theoretical machine that could perform at a very basic level any mathematical computation, the famed Turing Machine. Also during World War II, his work with the early computers like the bomb, in which he broke secret codes, showed the pure base potential of what mechanical intelligence could do. That machines could think was no longer a topic of science fiction, it was fast becoming a science fact. 1950 to 1970. Dawn of artificial intelligence. Machines can think? That was the question put forth by which put forth the famous Turing test for evaluation of machine intelligence. In 1956 at Dartmouth College, John McCarthy officially introduced the term artificial intelligence. The dream was out there, to create machines that could reason, learn, and solve problems as humans do. Early programs like Logic Theorist, which Newell and Simon developed, shook the world by proving mathematical theorems. By 1959, Arthur Samuel's checkers playing program had begun to improve itself, one of the first looks at machine learning. Hope was high, funding was abundant, and excitement was in the air. 1970 to 1990. AI winters and silent progress. But very soon reality set in. At the time of great hope, computers proved to be slow, expensive, and which in terms of memory fell short. Also, predictions were too good, which in reality machines were far from matching human-level reasoning. By the early 1970s, funding agencies lost faith. The first AI winter began a dark time of skepticism and funding cuts. But in the background, progress was being made. In the 1980s, we saw the success of expert systems like XCon from Digital Equipment Corporation, which automated sale processes. Though in a limited way, they did what they set out to do, and in some fields outperformed humans. 1990 to 2010. AI awakens. The 1990s saw a renaissance in AI Moore's Law, which in turn powered up computers and also a group of researchers that were into statistics as opposed to what was rigid programming. Also in 1997, IBM's Deep Blue's win against the world chess champion, Garry Kasparov, is a breakthrough which marked AI's growth. In the 2000s, machine learning came into its own. We saw the birth of spam filters, recommendation systems, and early forms of speech recognition, which proved out that which the computer learned from data was going to be the way to go, not just following programming rules. In 2006, Geoffrey Hinton brought back deep learning, which developed multi-layered neural networks that at last were able to model complex issues. 2010 to 2020, AI takes over daily life. The 2000s saw AI leap from labs to everyday life. In 2011, IBM's Watson crushed human champions in Jeopardy, showing its understanding of language and facts. In 2012, AlexNet shocked the world by beating all competitors at ImageNet, showcasing deep learning's real power in image recognition. Companies race to embed AI into every device. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Smart voices became household companions. In 2016, AlphaGo stunned the world again, defeating Go master Lee Sedol, a game thought to be too complex for machines. AI wasn't coming anymore. It was here, in our homes, our phones, and our daily routines. 2020 to 2025. Rise of generative AI, the present wave? Machines that do. In 2020, OpenAI introduced GPT-3, which put out poetry, essays, code, even jokes, that which is almost indistinguishable from human output. Also that year, DALL-E and Midjourney came out, which proved AI's ability to produce great art from simple text inputs. In 2023, we saw the release of GPT-4 and the multimodal AI systems, which now understand not just text but images, videos, and sounds. Also at this time, we saw the issues of AI ethics, bias, and misuse come to the fore. Governments were quick to try and regulate AI growth, while at the same time industries poured in billions of dollars into the field. Today, AI is used by doctors in diagnosis, in creative projects, in financial trade, and in the invention of new drugs. It is not just a tool, it is a co-pilot in our progress as a human race. Conclusion: the unwritten future. From the mechanical dreams of the past to present neural realities, artificial intelligence has grown in great strides. Also, what is to come is at once exciting and unknown. Will AI be our most great achievement, which enhances each aspect of human life? Or will it in fact grow beyond what we can control? The story of AI is still being written. It is in the hands of you, me, all of us. Sign up and join us on the journey into the future of the AI we are helping to create.